If you have plans to replace your siding and windows on a home in Morrison, Colorado, look no further than Bellwether. We have been designing beautiful Colorado homes in Morrison since 2017 and are experts in home exterior renovation that not only features high design, but also protects against a sometimes unpredictable climate. Morrison weather can be tricky, with homes exposed to high winds, baking sun, and sudden precipitation coming down the foothills. It is important that your home siding is equipped to take on this weather impact. And at Bellwether, we believe that a protected home exterior can still achieve the stunning design aesthetic of the mountain-inspired homes in Morrison. Nestled into the golden foothills of the Colorado Rockies, Morrison is an established town with its own personality and design. Morrison homeowners draw inspiration from the rocky terrain, red hills, and arid natural surroundings to create high-style homes with just as much personality. What's important for Morrison homeowners is that their homes are also prepared to take on the weather of this beautiful setting. Morrison homes are vulnerable to many different weather patterns, including Denver's high heat and baking sun and the mountain's heavy snowfall and quick temperature shifts. Bellwether believes style and function go hand in hand, and we always recommend James Hardie fiber cement siding to all our Morrison customers. Because it's designed to last a lifetime, holding up in any weather without warping, softening, peeling, or cracking. James Hardie fiber cement siding is as versatile as it is resilient. With fiber cement siding from James Hardie, it's easy to achieve any Colorado-inspired style, including the earth-toned homes that dot the Morrison foothills. Homeowners around Morrison add rustic design elements using fiber cement siding in wood tone, which finishes beautifully, presenting like wood grain in one of multiple color or stain options. Beyond style and weather, we understand the greatest concern on Morrison homeowners' minds: fires. Morrison homes are at severe risk during wildfire season, with dry grasses and steep hillsides where flames can quickly spread with little warning. James Hardie fiber cement siding is the first step, and its grade A fire rating immediately shields the home exterior from spark and flame. We also are experts in window installation and offer double and triple paned windows which add fire protection. Morrison is a unique community with rich history, special design, and much to offer Coloradoans. So we are committed to designing and protecting Morrison homes. Our respectful and professional team members are with you every step of the way. After an initial assessment, we provide our Morrison customers with a full proposal that includes the evaluation, recommendations, and how you can accomplish your design goals with siding products and windows aesthetically and functionally suited for your mountain home. When you sign a contract, we schedule immediately, navigating any permits and materials ordering so that you can relax and dream about your new home siding. Siding replacement isn't just about repairing damaged siding, and other siding contractors who don't understand the needs of homes in the foothills communities might not make recommendations based on local trends, needs, and climate. At Bellwether, we want to help create your dream mountain home, and this includes protection and beauty. Morrison homeowners want beautiful quality siding products that will stand the test of time, even on the exposed foothills. Our Morrison and foothills area customers can testify to our knowledge of the Colorado climate and what siding products work. When you work with Bellwether to renovate your home exterior in Morrison, you're choosing an expert team of locals who are committed to work with you to build the home of your dreams that will last a lifetime.